Reduce the rational expression if possible. Now this rational expression is not in factored form, so to see if it can be reduced, it needs to be put in factored form first. This numerator can be factored because there's an x in common with all the terms. The denominator is just x minus 3, there's no way to factor that. So I'm going to factor the numerator and then rewrite the whole expression and see if something can reduce out. So this numerator, I know an x can be factored out, so it's going to be x and then times x squared plus x and then minus 12 is going to be left over. And x times x squared is x to the third, x times x is x squared, x times negative 12 is negative 12x. So I know this is factored correctly so far. Now we need to take a look at this negative 12 and see if there are multiples of negative 12 that add to make positive x. Remember, because this x is positive, the greater number here has to be positive. So I'm thinking 4 and then negative 3. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 plus negative 3 is positive 1. So that is the factor. So it's going to be x and then times x plus 4 and then times x minus 3. So here's our factored numerator. So I'm going to just add the denominator on the bottom here, x minus 3. So let's look, what can be reduced? Notice that the x minus 3 is not in parentheses here, but it is in parentheses here. I could easily put it in parentheses like that if I wanted to show that it's all grouped together. And if it helps you, you can do that yourself. And look at this, the x minus 3's do reduce out, so you're going to have x and then times x plus 4 as your answer. Now always leave your answer in factored form. So this is your final answer right here.